We're continuing with looking at practice problems. So in this particular problem, the following pie chart represents the results of a survey about the use of mobile dating apps for various age groups. So we have that 14% are 55 or older. 23% are between the ages of 35 and 54. 23% are between the ages of 25 and 34. 40% are between the ages of 18 and 24. And we are going to look at this particular chart and be able to analyze it and answer some questions. So the first question asks which age group uses mobile dating apps the most? So looking at this, you can see that this piece of pie is larger than any of the others. It's very nice when you have the percentages sitting out here. So the age group who uses the mobile dating apps the most is the 18 to 24 age group. People between the ages of 18 and 24 use mobile dating apps the most. Part B asks which age group uses mobile dating apps the least? Well, when we look at our percentages, the 55 and older group uses the mobile dating apps the least. So people 55 and older use mobile dating apps the least. Which two age groups have approximately the same use of mobile dating apps? If you look at this group and this group both have about the 23% that use the mobile dating app. So the groups that have approximately the same percentages that use the mobile dating apps is those between the ages of 25 and 34 and those between the ages of 35 and 54. True or false? More than half of the mobile dating app use is done by people aged 25 or more. So if we look at those aged 25 or more, we have these three groups. If I add up these, I apologize, it does not include this group. It includes this group. I went the wrong way around the pie. So if we add up these three groups will be approximately 60% because I have 40% over here. So this is actually true because 60% is more than half. Less than half of the mobile dating apps use is done by people age 18 to 24 or by people age 55 and up. So 18 to 24 would be this group. 55 and up is this group. If I add those percentages, that gives up to 54%, which, yes, or no, that is actually false. It's more than half. So it's not less than, it's actually more than half. So this one was false. We said this one was true. And I'm going to trust that you write out your sentences here. So true or false, more than 75% of mobile dating app use is done by people below the age of 55. We're looking at 75%. So it would include these three age categories. We add this up, and that's actually 86%, which is more than the 75%. So this is true. Part G. Suppose that 500 people complete the survey. Approximately how many people were in each group? Okay, so we have a total of 500 people. And in the age group of 55 or older, we have 14%. Whenever we're looking at this, I want to know how many are in this category, I'm going to take 500 and I'm going to multiply that by 0.14. I converted the percentage into a decimal and I multiplied. This will give me approximately 70 people. I'm going to do the same thing for the other pieces of pie. So I have 500 total people times 0.23, change the percentage into a decimal, and that's going to give me 115. The nice thing about this particular pie is these two age groups have the same percentage. So there's 115 people that use the mobile dating app here. For this group, I'm going to take 500 times 0.4, multiply those, and I get 200 people in this age group. And so you can write out your sentences for each of those age groups. Again, as I've said in other videos, the importance of the sentences does actually help you as well as anyone else understand what is being discussed. So practice some with the pie charts, and then let me know if you have any questions.